Konnichiwa, I'm John Hornick. Welcome to my Japanese Faves series where we'll cover every major type of Japanese food. This video illustrates a style of Japanese cooking called Robatayaki, which is difficult to reproduce in my kitchen. Robatayaki is not only about the food, but also about the layout and ambiance of the restaurant, the cooking technique, and the way that the cooks cook and serve the food. I'm illustrating Robatayaki using photos from my recent dinner at my favorite restaurant in the world, Inakaya in Tokyo. This dinner was at the Ginza location. Robata means fireside and yake means cooked or grilled. So Robatayaki is fireside grilling. At Inakaya, the guests face two cooks who kneel before you on a platform with a charcoal grill between you and them. The food choices are laid out before you on ice between you and the grill. You can point to what you want, as I like to do, or you can order from the menu. When you select, the host loudly calls out the name of the food in Japanese, and the cook nearest you loudly repeats it. The cook then reaches across the grill for the food you select, then grills it on the grill. When it's ready, he places it on a paddle with a long handle and hands it across to you. If you order a beer, he opens the bottle, places it on the paddle, and does the same, never spilling a drop. Inakaya has great food and great ambiance, and it's a lot of fun. So let's start dining.